Hello everyone. In this video, we will see some database fundamentals. Myself, Professor S.S. Nikam from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. Some of the advantages of database are faster and more efficient than a traditional method of maintaining records, such as manual filing system. Easy to make changes, delete information, and insert information. Print various reports from the same database. Search data electronically and show relationship between different tables in a database. Elements of a database. First, file. File means all records, fields and entries in a database. Here, a collection of information treated as an individual unit. And second, record. Record is a group of related fields of information. Every row in a table is called as a record. Field. Field means one item or bit of information in a record, or you can also call it as a column. Entry. Data and formulas that are typed into a field, you can call it as a entry. Here, elements of database is shown in picture. First, this is nothing but file name, represents a file. Second, these are nothing but different rows, you can call it as a record. Then each cell holds an entry, and these are nothing but different columns. Artist, CD title, this is nothing but column, or you can call it as a field in database. Steps for designing a database are: first, plan and design the database. Second, determine the fields. Third, determine the size of the field. And fourth, determine the type of fields. First step is plan and design the database. So here we must determine the purpose of database file and all fields which are necessary to ensure efficient sorting and retrieving of data. Second step is creation of database. So this is screenshot of MS Access database. Here, first of all, you have to select blank database option. A blank database is nothing but file that contains any object such as table, queries, reports, forms, etc. Then next you have to determine, or you have to specify the name of database. Then you have to select specific location where you want to save your database, and database will be saved with .mdb file extension. Here in this step you have to create a table using design view option, or you have to select create table in design view option to create a table. Then fourth step is input and define fields. So in this step you have to define different fields, that is input, and also you have to define different data types for that corresponding fields. Fifth step is you have to save the table and create a primary key. So after finalizing different fields and its corresponding data type, here next step is you have to save the table and create a primary key. So in this table you have to create a primary key and save the table. In this step, next step, that is step 6, you have to define the primary key. So here primary key is nothing but it holds a unique record, or you can avoid duplication of records with the help of primary key. So here you can use ID field as a primary key. After defining primary key, seventh step is you have to input different records in a database. These are nothing but some sample information or sample records. After inputting records, you can close the database. So you can close database by using the menu command of a file. Thank you.